In this lecture, we are going to delete on last functionality, that is deleting users. If the admin clicks on this, I will be having this message. I will click on OK. In my URL, I will have delete user, and whatever user ID we are having, that will be displayed. And we have to include delete user.php. But user is very critical part of the website. So what we will do here, directly we are not going to delete the user. Instead, here inside this we are going to display one form. Again, if the admin confirms that he is ready to delete the user, only then we will delete the user, and whatever orders we are having related to that user, complete information we are going to delete from the website. So first we will create static structure, and then we are going to create the logic. Copy this delete.php. Inside admin area, I will be creating the file. Create one div class. I will be passing container and margin top of 4. Inside this another div class, I will pass row, justify content to be centered. And then again, I will be creating one div column LG of 6 and column medium of 8. Then I will be creating the card. So create div card, and also I will be passing shadow SM. Small shadow I have to display. Finally, inside the card, I will be creating this card body, and for this I will also pass the class as text center. I will display one icon. So create one div icon name, class name I will pass delete icon. Inside this, create one font awesome, FAS, FA exclamation triangle. Below this div container, I will be creating one H3 class. I will write delete title. Text, I will write delete user confirmation. Save this. Come to project, refresh once. In this way, I will be having my container. Whatever icon we have displayed, that is also shown. Below this H3, create one div class. I will write delete alert. I will be creating 2 paragraphs, and inside each paragraph, I'm just going to create strong tag. First, I will pass user. Whatever username we are having, that we are going to display. Then I will also pass user ID. Whatever user ID we are having, that we are going to display. Then below this div container, I will be creating one paragraph. Class, I will be passing delete text. Text, I will write, are you sure you want to delete this user? This action will, now below this paragraph, I will be creating one UL. Class, I will pass delete list. If the admin is deleting the user, all these actions will be performed, and those actions I will be writing inside UL list. So create 4 LIs. First LI, I will write delete the user account permanently. Next, remove all user data from database. Next, this is important, so I will be adding class delete danger text. Text, I will write delete all orders associated with this user. Next, I will write this action create strong tag. This action cannot be undone. Save this. Come here, refresh once. You can see in this way username will be displayed, user ID will be displayed, and then I will have this message. Below this, I will be having all the list. Last, I will create one form. Remove this action attribute. I will be passing method. Method is equal to post. Here, I will be creating one div class. I will write display flex, gap of 2, justify content center. Then inside this, create one button class. I will write btn danger, and padding x of 4. I will pass type to be submit, and then name attribute. I will write confirm delete. Inside this, I will create one font awesome, FAS FA trash. Outside of this font awesome, I will write yes delete user. Below this button, I will create one anchor tag. Class I will pass btn secondary and padding x of 4. href I will pass index.php. If the admin clicks on cancel button, admin should go to list users. Then here I will be creating one font awesome FAS FA times. Outside of this font awesome, I will give the text as cancel. Now save, come to project, refresh once. In this way, I will have two buttons. If the admin clicks on yes, delete the user information will be deleted, and whatever orders we are having related to that user, complete thing will be deleted. And if I click on cancel, admin will be redirected to list users. Again, I will click on this delete. Okay, I will be redirected to this page. Again here, admin has to confirm this deletion part. If the admin clicks on this yes button, then all the data related to that user will be deleted. So this is the simple basic HTML we have written for deleting user.